Alright, let's take a start with IELTS speaking part 1. Do you work or study?
Uh, I work. Currently I am a professional and I work in a bank.
Okay.
And yes, I am.
Alright, let's take a start. How often do you look at yourself in the mirror every day?
I look myself in the mirror once in a day. Usually when I go to my office, I think, and after that I try to look at the mirror whenever I get a chance because I think it boosts your confidence when you look at the mirror.
Okay. Have you ever bought mirrors?
Yes, I have bought I have bought the mirror many times, and even recently I bought a mirror for my room.
Okay. Alright, let's go on. Would you use mirrors to decorate your room?
Yes, I use mirror to decorate my
Mask.
I use mirror to decorate my room. One of my friend who is a interior decorator had just recommended me to use mirror in my especially in my study room.
Okay. Do you check yourself when you decide to buy a mirror?
Yes, I try to check the mirror I bought because it could be damaged or something like that. So I usually check before I bought any mirror.
All right, good. Now, some of your answers are short. You need to add some more there, right? And another thing is try to organize your answer properly and speak fluently. Fluency is another issue. Sometimes you take a pause, you take a break within the sentence or after the sentence. So try to speak and use connecting words. For example, the question was, how often do you look at yourself in the mirror every day? Say, I often look at the mirror, or I often look at myself in the mirror, first of all, in the morning before going outside. Then you can talk a little. Secondly, when I come back home and I change my clothes, then once again I look at the mirror. And finally, before going to bed, when I brush my teeth, I always look myself into the mirror or look at the mirror and all that. So just use connecting words, speak fluently. Some answers are short, add some more detail there, and you'll be fine. Okay? Thank you.